Working in the garden without gloves can be a tough and dirty job. When potting and planting, hands can soon get dry and damaged. Fed up of tools that just scratch the surface? You need Badger Paw garden gloves from Creative Products. The tough but flexible, waterproof gloves with built-in digging claws that give you power to dig and plant without the need for garden tools. With these amazing gloves, you feel more connected to the soil. The strong built-in claws make digging, planting and raking quick and easy. They're perfect for potting up decorative pots and planters. Quickly prick out root balls without the need to remove the glove. Perfect planting every time. When planting up your seed trays, the built-in claw quickly makes seed drills. Simply sow and cover. Badger Paw gloves are great for raking and spreading topsoil. And putting down garden gravel just takes seconds. Even spreading decorative pot toppings around delicate plants is not a problem. Badger Claw gloves are so versatile. Make light work of removing moss from lawns. They're ideal for any type of raking and weeding. Puncture resistant, they protect your hands from sharp plants too. Not just for digging, you can even use Badger Paws for removing the weeds from your pond too. Quickly rake and collect those autumn leaves. No job is too big for these versatile, flexible gloves. These amazing gloves simply rinse clean without holding dirt, yet leave your hands dry, clean and protected inside. Get creative in your garden with Badger Paw garden gloves. Take yours to the checkout now.